This demo introduces TestMEReq, an automated tool for early validation of requirements. Users' requirements is often elicited and specified in natural language. However, natural language requirements is open to misunderstanding, miscommunication, misinterpretation, and errors such as ambiguity, inconsistency, incorrectness, and incompleteness. To avoid these problems, we introduced TestMEReq to assist requirements engineer to validate requirements with client stakeholders. Our tool automatically generates abstract tests and mock-up user interface prototype to validate the elicited requirements. This is the main page of TestMEReq. It has 5 main parts, which are for the textual requirements, EUC model, EUI model, test requirements and test case. The rest of this video will show the usage example of TestMEReq. This is the main text editor. User needs to type in his requirements in this text editor. From here, the abstract EUC model will be generated. This is the generated EUC model. Click on the Create EUI button to generate the abstract EUI model. This is the EUI model associated to the EUC model. User can check the traceability between EUI, EUC, and textual requirements. Here the tool will highlight the EUC model with its associated keyword in the textual requirements. Click on the Generated TR button to generate the associated test requirements. Here are the list of test requirements generated from the EUC model. Click on the Generate Test Case button to generate the test cases. These are the related test cases generated from the test requirements. User can validate the requirements by trace back the generated test cases to the associated components. User can click on the test requirements to generate the mock-up UI prototype. The mock-up UI prototype is designed based on the EUI model. This UI example is related to the first EUI model. User can execute the test case by inserting the provided test data to the mock-up UI prototype. Here, user needs to follow the defined test procedure. This is the expected results of the executed test case. The UI is designed based in the EUI model. This UI example related to the EUI model display ID and list of option. Then, user needs to indicate the status of the test, either pass or fail. This status will be saved in the database for future reference. TestMEReq benefited our requirements engineering process in the area of requirements analysis and quality assurance. TestMEReq give us the initial test plan that can be directly matched to the specified use case and requirements. Lastly, TestMEReq enhance the quality of our usage scenario by allowing us iteratively to test and see the resulting EUC and test cases.